Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I have a package that just came in this morning. This is a PR package from Maniology. They sent me this package just before Canada Post went on strike, and unfortunately it got stuck in LA for I think 6 weeks. So I just got it today. I know it is holiday themed, but I have not opened it up. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. I'm going to give you my first impressions. I'm going to do some stamping, and let's see if we can't incorporate what's in this package for Valentine's Day. So if this interests you, just keep on watching. Okay, let's open this package up and see what's inside. So I know I did ask for some holiday themed stamping plates and some Christmas colors in stamping polishes, but let's see if I can incorporate something Valentine's Day. If not, then I want to try to do a winter theme for you guys. I have Harvest Hues Frosty Friends starter kit and a plate that I did hand pick myself. This plate is M447. I love this one because of the French designs that are not only Christmas themed, but you could do a winter theme and even a New Year's theme with this plate. And I have to say that I am all about French manicures lately. Next, we have the Harvest Hues collection. So this is a 3-pack of stamping polishes. Let's not use our nails to open things up. The first one is B529 Falling Leaves. So this is going to be a great fall green. It's got a shimmer to it and perfect for Christmas nails as well. Next, we have this gorgeous silver. This one blew my mind when I opened it up. Silver Birch B530. This one I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of for the holiday season and New Year's. And the third one is this gorgeous shimmery crimson red called Cinnamon Spark B531. And all of these applied really well. I'm not used to using nail polish. I'm used to using gel polish. I have this stamping starter kit called Frosty Friends, and the stamping plate is M524, which is a great holiday themed. You can do white over red or silver over red, and I really like the fact that there's a gnome in here and some images that you can do a winter scene with. And this kit also comes with a stamping guide, so everything you need to know is in this little booklet, as well as the QR code where you can get tutorials. Maniology has a great YouTube channel as well. So the kit comes with a scraper card, a stamper that matches. I love these stampers, the rectangle ones. I find that they're the easiest for me to use on a nail because nails, no matter what shape, are kind of oblong or rectangular. However, you do have to be very gentle with them so you don't puncture the silicone part. And then this kit comes with a small size of a stamping polish and the smudge-free top coat. Now this stamping polish, I don't know what the name of it is, but it is a beautiful olive green. So I'm going to start off with this pink color from Maniology and create a winter scene. Now I will just give you a heads up, I couldn't get creative enough to do anything Valentine's themed, but you could use any one of these images and put hearts in the background if you wanted. I chose snowflakes because I was feeling wintry. Also, I was not working fast enough to do a reverse stamping technique. I don't know what my problem was. And I put a matte top coat on, and I do not like stamping over a matte top coat. I'd rather stamp over top of a shiny gel top coat. So I put a tackless hyper shine over top, and then I was able to stamp better. As you can see, I wasn't able to transfer the snowflakes that I wanted. I gave up and I decided just to do a cute little elephant sitting in the snow. I tell you, it's not that easy to create a design off the top of my head just from unboxing. Usually I have to sit and think for a few hours before I get into filming, but I just wanted to do this all on the fly. This next design would be great for New Year's. Actually, my daughter is getting married at the end of January, and doing silver and black would really match her theme colors. So I might have to incorporate that into my own nails. Okay, let's move on to another wintry scene because we just flew through 2 designs just like that. All the products I'm using here are what I got in the PR package, as well as a few other stamping polishes from Maniology. And I'm just gonna let you watch and see what I come up with for this wintry design. Next design is another really easy one. I wanted to see how this silver stamped. Now I found that I really had to make sure there was enough product on the stamping plate. Because it's shimmer in this silver, you really want it to get into the design itself on the plate, and yet I still had a bit of problems transferring it onto a matte surface. And that's not an issue with the product itself, that was just me. It was all me, user error. So with this design, I wanted to do something to spice up that olive green. I thought I would take the shimmery green that we got in this PR package and put it on top of this green, and I really like the effect. This would be a great design for fall nails, say Thanksgiving nails, with the little acorn. That's an acorn, or is that a pine cone? I don't know. And then I waited about 15 to 20 seconds before I put the smudge-free top coat on. And this is Maniology's smudge-free top coat, and then you just let it air dry. This one is really shiny. I quite enjoy using the smudge-free top coat. So if you're doing a manicure that you just want to take off in a couple of days with acetone, use the smudge-free top coat. And then let's take a look at these up close. It's really hard to see the green on green, but I really like that effect if you want something subtle, yet something's there. And actually, for doing these designs on the fly, I'm kind of proud of myself. I think I'm still feeling the effects of turkey coma because my brain has been in a fog this past week. So here's one last look at all 6 designs. Don't forget you can use my coupon code Auralite10 on the Maniology website to get a discount on your purchase. And this discount code can be used at any time. There's no expiry for it. I have to say that I am really impressed with the quality of Maniology, and I'm sure I've said this before in other Maniology videos, but their product is so well made. The stamping polishes don't dry out. They don't smell where I get a headache. The plates are nicely etched, and I'm just really enjoying using this product. So thank you, Maniology, for this package. I really appreciate it. And I think that's it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.